Hello, you guys. I want to just give a year later review of this Lerobo Apple Watch band. As you see, I've used it every day for a whole year, and it's doing well. No marks hardly. I mean, what you do see is maybe a little bit of marks, but it's just slightly dirty, normal wear and tear. But the only thing you can see is that little pin right there. And if you see right there, there's a dig there. I think I sliced it with a knife. So it saved my wrist, at least, from me cutting my wrist. But I did slice it right there. I don't think that's from just wear. I mean, why would it be just that one spot? So I think I cut myself there on it. But it's staying together still. Of course, you see little dirt gets in there and stuff, but for the band itself being white, I thought it would be really stained and stuff by now, wearing it every day for a whole year, but it still looks like brand new, except for this little pin. It's like the finish wore off and stuff, but it's still holding well. I'm going to show you guys. Of course, with using it all the time, you do get somewhere, like you can see it's a little bit more shiny on the edges and stuff from just basic wear. See that right there, how it's shiny? It's just from always being rubbing together and stuff. So that's normal wear. It's nothing major. It's still staying together well. It hasn't loosened any, it's not like it's stretching and stuff. And it's a great band for the price, and being able to buy it easily on Amazon. It works really well, So I would still suggest this brand. Of course, you see dirt, grit gets in these here cracks and stuff, but that's gonna happen with anything. At least it's holding up. It's not staining and stuff, which is what I was worried about with it being white. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I am gonna post the link in this comment section to buy one of these if you're interested for your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching today.